In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable a domain in Namecheap hosting. This is a quick guide that will take you through a step-by-step process. Whether you're looking to temporarily deactivate a domain or simply need to make some changes without losing your settings, disabling a domain is straightforward once you know where to go. Let's get started right away. First, you'll want to open a web browser and navigate to the Namecheap website. If you're unfamiliar with Namecheap, it's a well-known domain registration and hosting service that makes it easy to manage your domains, whether you're a small business owner or running personal projects. Upon arriving at the Namecheap homepage, your next step will be to locate the account section, which you'll find at the top right corner of the page. Now, click on the account option and go to your dashboard. This area is where you can manage all aspects of your Namecheap account, giving you access to settings, domains, and a range of other features. Once you're on the dashboard page, you'll likely need to sign in if you haven't done so already. So go ahead, enter your credentials, and click on the sign in button. After signing in, you will be directed back to your dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll see various options related to your domain management. The next move is to find the domain you wish to disable. Look for the Manage button, which is usually located next to the domain name. Click on Manage, and this action will take you to a new page where you have more specific options for the domain in question. On the new page, look for the tab labeled Advanced DNS. Clicking on this will provide you with access to more detailed DNS settings for your domain. This is a crucial part of our process, as it's where you have the opportunity to make changes or disable particular settings without completely removing the domain. Once you're within the Advanced DNS area, scroll down to locate the specific settings or records you want to disable. To effectively disable the domain, you'll want to remove the DNS records associated with it. You'll typically see several records listed here, such as A records, CNAME, or other DNS entries. To proceed, find the Delete option next to the records you want to remove. By clicking on Delete, you will effectively disable the domain, as it will no longer be connected to any active records. And there you have it. You successfully disabled the domain on Namecheap hosting. Remember that disabling a domain this way doesn't delete it from your account, so you can always reconfigure it later if needed. This method is particularly useful if you plan to use the domain again in the future or want to keep your setup intact while you make temporary changes. Thanks for following along, and hopefully this guide has made the process simple and clear for you.